Okay, good day. I am from Exile Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Exile from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I don't have, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you feel something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't have? Later, once you come to work here, you suddenly let me know or let us know that you have sister here, you have brother here, you have the friends here.
No, ma'am.
Noah. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. It's my first time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I chose Malaysia, ma'am, because I think Malaysia is a wonderful country. Um, I like to go in Malaysia to broadcast my experience as nanny.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. I am Marites Masglat from Philippines, 34 years old, married. I have three loving children, age 14, 8, and 2. And I have experience locally here, taking care children and also taking care elderly.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, Maritas. When is your birthday?
My birthday, ma'am, is on September 30, 1990.
Okay, what is your husband occupation and how old is your husband?
My husband is 33 years old and he is a street vendor food.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilograms.
What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Ma'am, I took high school graduate, but I took vocational course, food and beverage attendant services, and housekeeping services with certificate in seafood.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad and you mentioned that you got three kids, right? 14, 8, and 2 years old. Then who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband will talk of them.
Okay, your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have
He is willing.
we don't have problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No problem.
So according to your profile, you have a working experience way back 2007 to 2009 in the Philippines as what? Is it a stay-in maid or what?
Stay in mid, ma'am.
Okay, which part of the Philippines?
Ma'am, in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Pangasinan?
I'm taking care of two kids, which is 5 years old and 3 years old, and I drop that 5 years old in the school and then fetch to her, and then I'm also working in the house, cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, and I I help the kids with their activity in school or assignments.
Okay, so after that, way back 2017 to 2019, you worked as a what? Housemaid also.
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
In Pangasinan also, ma'am. Pangasinan, Philippines.
What is your job responsibilities there?
My responsibilities there is taking care the elderly, the two member, my my employer there is elder, and I'm preparing her medicines on time. Give her meal on time, and cleaning also the house.
Okay, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, is it? While taking care of
Yes,
the elderly. How old is the
yes, ma'am.
elderly and is it female or male?
She was a
Okay, so you take care. How old is the elderly that you take care?
she is 65 years old, ma'am.
Female, ah? Okay. So after 2019, you have a working experience or you are a full-time mother until recently?
I'm a full-time mother recently, ma'am.
2019 until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am. But I've been working in a supermarket, ma'am, as cashier last 2020 to 2021.
20, 20,
Wait,
2020 to 2021.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cashier, is it?
Yes, ma'am. At supermarket mall.
Okay. So after 2021 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being a domestic helper is not easy, ate. It is a very tough job,
Yes.
okay? And you need to be
Yes, ma'am.
flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready and I'm willing to learn everything to my employer.
Okay. So are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I will. Yes, ma'am. I can cook.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Usage of mobile handphone. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. And if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I am okay to the rules and regulations.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future ahead, right? So in Philippines, you
Yes.
can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, so normally, being a first timer, homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you do?
Um, I'm if homesickness will attack me, ma'am. I'm just focused to my work, and I don't focus to my family. I'm just focused to my job
Okay,
to
so
fight
I think that's all
my
for now, Marites. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.